So when I was a kid, coming out of high school, to be honest with you about it, I didn't know what I wanted to do. When I started as a laborer, sweeping the floor in 1988, and here I am now, sitting at a desk. There's opportunities there. My name is Willie Hodges. I am Operations Support Supervisor. I had to think of that because I've been in this role probably about 5 months now. I used to be plant supervisor. But this role that I have now is more behind the scene. First I had about 35 people that reported to me every day. Now it's just me, so it's totally a different role, dealing with more training, EH&S. And here lately it's been 55% of quality. So I'm dealing with a lot of qualities, trial boards. With me, it don't make what product that I'm running. Whether it's at the gyp, ceiling, I've been at 4 different sites. It ain't about what you make, it's the family that you create. It's the understanding and respect that you give. And I feel like that's what Saint-Gobain is all about. It's treating people like people, respect, and giving them the opportunity to come in and take care of their family. And come in with what you have. May not be that much knowledge of ceilings, may not be that much knowledge of manufacturing, may not be that great of education, which I don't have. I just have a lot of years of experience. But coming in and whatever you got, bringing it to the table and making it positive, making it grow. You can imagine coming into a culture, people already set in their ways. And I come from a different world, Mississippi. That's why when I go out on the floor, I take the time, whether I'm busy or not, I speak to everybody. Sometimes just listening to people. So they come in, they talk, we get it out, let's go back to work. But I felt when you get that connection with people, because I'm a people person, and you learn a little bit about their history, they appreciate that. They work harder, safer, they perform way better for you. Feel good going home every day, knowing you got a place where you can come in, feel like it got your back. They're giving you opportunity. Not only that, they offer you school, pay for your school. They've been good to our family, and they have. Because when I was young, I didn't think about 401k, or hospital insurance, dental insurance, eye insurance. I didn't think about none of that, having a family. But it turned out to be the best thing that I can ever come across. And I'm proud to say that I work for CertainTeed. It's about taking and creating what you do have and making it bigger than what you are.